Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to Math Basic. Now we're discussing about pair of angles. So in this video we learn about complementary and supplementary angles. So what are complementary angles? So two angles are called complementary. So I just write C dot A. Complementary angles if their sum is equals to 90 degrees. So two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. And each angle are called complement of the other. So let's say, let's take a few examples. Here I give you two examples of complementary angles. Now the first example, look at this figure. We have, this is 40 degrees and let's say this angle is 50 degrees. Now this is an angle AOB and this angle is BOC. So we have two angle AOB equals to 40 degrees and angle BOC equals to 50 degrees. So if we add them, so 40 degrees plus 50 degrees equals to 90. Their sum is 90. So when we add them, their sum is 90. So they are called complementary angles. So these pair may be adjacent and maybe not adjacent. So in this case, these two angles are adjacent angles. So this is a complementary adjacent angles because they have a common endpoint, a common arm. And this angle AOB is a complement of angle BOC, while angle BOC is called complement of angle AOB. Now I give you another example in which they are complementary, but they are non-adjacent. So here we have two angle, let's say this is 30 degrees and this one is 60 degrees. No, in this case, these two pairs, their sum is complementary, but they are non-adjacent because 30 plus 60 equals to 90 degrees, but they haven't any common endpoint and a common arm. Now next we have supplementary angles. So supplementary angles, two angles are called supplementary angles. Now two angles are called supplementary if their sum is 180 degrees. So two angles are called supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degrees. So supplementary angles may or may not be adjacent angles. So in this case I give you two examples. Let's say here we take okay, now here we have two angles. This one is 45 degrees and this one, let's say it's 135 degrees. Now the pair of these two angles make supplementary, so they are called supplement of each other. Angles are called supplement of each other, and 45 plus 135, if we add them, we get 180 degrees. So they are called supplementary angles. So in this case they are adjacent because they have a common endpoint. Now if you look at here, we have this common endpoint and they have a common arm, so they are supplementary angles. So these are the pairs of angles. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.